Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the values of x and y that satisfy these two simultaneous logarithmic equations. To solve this problem, we are going to start with this first equation. We have that ln x is equal to 4 times ln y. What we are going to do is that we will apply the power rule of logarithms to this right-hand side. We are going to take this multiplier, that is 4, up to become the exponent of y. When we do that, this equation becomes ln x is equal to ln y raised to power 4. And now when you compare the two sides of this equation, you will see that x is equal to y to power 4. Now let us look at the second equation. Here we have that log to base 3 of x. Let us bring this over to the left-hand side. When we do that, we have minus 2 times log to base 3 of y is equal to 2. Once more, let us apply the power rule to this term. When we do that, we have log to base 3 of x minus this now becomes the exponent of y. So log to base 3 of y squared is equal to 2. But of course, we know that log a minus log b is equal to log a divided by b. So this left-hand side is the same as log to base root 3 of x divided by y squared. And this is equal to 2. Now, let us remember that when we have a statement like this, it simply means that 3 raised to power 2 is equal to x over y squared. So this simply means that x over y squared is equal to 3 to the power 2. And of course, 3 squared is equal to 9. So now we have two equivalent equations. From this first equation, we have that x is equal to y to power 4. And from this second equation, when we cross multiply, we have that x is equal to 9 times y squared. Now to solve these two equations, what we do is to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. When we do that, we are going to eliminate x. So we have that x minus x, which of course is equal to 0, is equal to y to power 4 minus 9y squared. Now, we can factorize this expression. When we do that, we have that 0 is equal to, here we have y squared. Y to power 4 divided by y squared is y squared. And 9y squared divided by y squared is 9. And of course, we know that this equation simply means that either y squared is equal to 0 or y squared minus 9 is equal to 0. Now, when y squared is equal to 0, if we take square root of both sides of this equation, we have that y is equal to 0. Of course, here we have that y squared is equal to 9. And when we take square root of both sides of this equation, we have that y is equal to plus or minus square root of 9. We have that y is equal to plus or minus 3. Now let us look at these equations. We are dealing with logarithms. So y cannot be equal to 0 and y cannot be negative. So the only value of y that we can take from this equation is y equal to 3. And of course, to find the value of x, we come back to this equation. So we have that when y is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 to the power 4, which is equal to 81. So we have that the value of x and y that satisfy these two equations simultaneously are y equal to 3 and x equal to 81. And now to check these values of y and x, let us substitute them into these two logarithmic equations. In the first equation, we have ln 81 is equal to 4 times ln 3. On the left-hand side, of course, you know that 81 is equal to 3 to the power 4. When we apply the power rule to this, we have 4 ln 3, which is exactly what we have on the right-hand side. And substituting into the second equation, we have log to base 3 of x is equal to 2 plus 2 times log to base 3 of 3. Once more, 81 is 3 to power 4. Here we have 2 plus 2 times 1, because you know that log to base 3 of 3 is equal to 1. Now let us remember that log to base a of a to power b is equal to b. So log to base 3 of 3 to the power 4 is simply equal to 4. So on the left hand side we have 4, and on the right hand side we have 2 plus 2, which of course is equal to 4. So we have that the value of x equal to 81 and y equal to 3 actually satisfy these two logarithmic equations simultaneously. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next movie.